Steve here, an operational strategist from Advanced Global, which is a team of Autotask experts. I'm in our demo environment, and I want to take a moment today to talk about the work list over here in your right nav. As you can see right now, it says no tickets, so I'll pop that back in. You can roll over any of these here, left click on it, and then down to the bottom, add to work list. The other way we could do it is to just open the ticket and go to tools and just say add to my work list. And you can also add work lists from workflow rules, can add tickets to work lists. People can be editing a ticket like a service coordinator and just say add to resources work list. And the same is true for tickets and for tasks. So now we have a couple of tickets over here, and we can go here. And you can see we have stopwatches right here. I can start that stopwatch, and we're ticking off. I'm going to work on this ticket. When it's done, I can... this is going to give me a time entry pop-up, and I can record the time entry. I can pause the time entry there. There's several other things I can do. I can pop this out, which is going to pop the ticket out, and so now I can edit the ticket. And just so you know, this forward modify, if you ever wondered what this forward is, it's another way of editing the ticket without putting it in edit mode. I can change fields, and I can edit right here, and then save and close or cancel that. So that's what that's all about. But we're talking about this work list over here. There is up here across the top, there's three little dots right here. I can reset all stopwatches. I can remove all the tickets and put them back in their widgets and queues. And I can configure the work list. So available data, I can change right now. All I have is the ticket number, the account, and the title of the ticket. You could say bring in, I don't see it here. Estimated hours is one of my favorite ones. Here's next SLA due date. And quite frankly, I would want that at the top. Ticket number, I would put at the bottom. This is typically what the information that I want and that kind of stuff. And then you have some options here on your stopwatches, how you want your stopwatch to be noted. If it's somebody added by somebody else category, I'm surprised estimated time isn't in here. Really, really surprises me, but go figure. So now you can see there's the ticket title, there's the ticket number, the customers here, and that's the next SLA due date. Didn't exactly arrange it the way I thought it would, but it did arrange it. So I wanted next SLA at the top, the account number, the title, and then the ticket number. Doesn't read it the way I would read it. So anyway, play around with it. It's kind of neat. It's kind of nifty. As you can see, I have 2 tickets, 2 tasks, and then when I want to put it away, I just click on that and it collapses over there. If you have any other questions about the work list, let us know. Just put a comment in, and I'll respond as soon as I get an opportunity. Other than that, if you want more information, you can email us at info@agmspcoaching. That email again is info@agmspcoaching.com. And other than that, have an awesome day.